Question 9, SPSS. So again, this is a predictive model that makes it a multiple regression. So, can we predict the annual number of reported UFO sightings using the size of the city in population of thousands, what percent of the people live in rural areas, and how much cubic feet of water is in the area? So let's jump on over to SPSS. We're going to go to Analyze, a regression, a linear. We're going to reset. Boom. What are we trying to predict? UFO sightings. Where are you? There you are. What are we going to try to predict that with? Population in thousands. What percent live in the country? And how much water? Statistics. Again, you always want the model fit, R-squared change, descriptive, partial and part correlations, collinearity diagnostics, and Durbin-Watson. And there is our regression model. There's the means. Again, we don't really care about the means in a regression model. There's the correlations. Here's the model summary. So we got a 44% effect size. That's R-squared. Also called the coefficient of determination, but just call it effect size. And that's not a bad model, okay? Remember, R-squared. The ANOVA box says that this is a significant regression. So let's see which of the three predictors is in fact significant. Okay, so here's population in thousands. Oh, it is not significant. Okay, so in other words, doesn't matter how many population, it doesn't matter how big the city is when it comes to UFO sightings. What percent live in rural areas? Oh, that is significant. And water is not significant. So that all that means is the only good predictor of UFO sightings is what percent of the people live in the rural areas. Interesting. Okay. So when you write out your predictive equation, you're not going to use the water, you're not going to use populations because they were not significant. But here's your constant number right now. Again, so when you write out your equation, you use the unstandardized B weights because they are still measured in the units of each individual variable. And that's it. MGZ out.